What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna test the new product from Turtle Wax. It's a Hybrid Solutions Pro. So we're gonna test this one on the new Supra. Let's do it. Alright guys, so here is the Supra. Amazing. So it's another day. So today we're gonna test the Turtle Wax products, but first we're gonna wash the Supra because yesterday it was raining and this is my daily car. So it's dirty, so we're gonna wash this one first. But these are the products I have that I received from Turtle Wax. Wow. This is Hybrid Solutions Pro, 3 new products. So this is a spray. You can put it on the car while you dry the car or when your car is dry. That is amazing. So it's amazing. If you wanna dry your car and while it's wet, you can apply this one. Or if your car is dry, you can also spray it and dry it with a towel, with a microfiber towel. And this is the same thing but in a liquid. You can put it with a application like this one. You can put it like this and then wipe it off with a towel. This is amazing. Wow. And this one is the Precision Platelet sorry if I pronounce this wrong. Precision Platelet, I think that's the name. But this one is for paint correction finish. Wow. And they sent me the pad. So this I'm gonna do it on a different video because I'm gonna see if I can get a polisher, something cheap, not too expensive. So I'm gonna get a polisher to test this product, but this one is gonna be on another video. Today we're gonna test this one and this one. Okay, and I have my bucket. All this you can get it on the Turtle Wax website. I'm gonna put the link on the description down below, okay, for all these products. And if they're on Amazon, I'm gonna put the Amazon link. So let's wash the car first, and after that we'll test these products. To do that, okay, this is the Graphene Infused Wax. This one you can dry your car, apply this one and then dry your car. Let me show you like this. So that is one way to apply this one, but remember it says on the instructions 2 sprays per panel. Okay, but my hood on my car is very big, so I might do 4 sprays, so 2 for this area and 2 for the other side. It says on the instructions only 2 sprays per panel. And you can see, wow, it looks glossy. Oh man, it's beautiful. And makes the black car look amazing. Wow, I know it's a new car, but if you apply this to a new car, it looks gorgeous. Man, I can feel. Whoa, yeah. Here I didn't apply it here, my fingers like get stuck. In this one, wow, it slides. Wow, I started to love this product. Yeah, here my fingers, they get like stuck, and here they slide, man. So I'm gonna dry the car with the wet method, and after that we're gonna put a second coat of the dry method. Guys, this is amazing. Man, it's so smooth. Wow, man. You can feel it. You can feel it. You can feel the difference. Here, they don't. My fingers, they don't slide. And here, man. And this is a product you can put it on paint, plastics, and anything, even on the glass. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna continue with this. Oh man, I can't stop touching this. Wow. But this one you might need to have two microfibers. One when you're drying, another one to remove all the lines from the microfiber. So let me continue with the rest, and then we're gonna do a second coat with the other one, with the one you have to use that is a liquid. Okay, let's continue with this one. All right. So one side is finished. You can feel it, man. You cannot miss it, because in this one there doesn't slide. My fingers, I can feel it. My fingers, you can feel it, doesn't slide. And in here, ooh, man, and it's super glossy. And one other thing I forgot to mention, this product, you can apply it in the sun and in the shade. Amazing. Oh man, love it. So you can, if you're in the sun, you can apply it, no problem. This one will work in the sun and in the shade, but I do recommend put it a little bit on the shade. I'm like me in a tree, because if you put it in the sun, it's gonna dry faster. But if you have to do it in the sun, do it little by little, for small pieces, and then do a small piece and small piece. But I recommend better to do it in the shade because it will dry faster. Let me finish with the rest of the car. I'm not gonna put that on the video because I don't want to make it too long. So we have to move to the next product. It's the same thing, but it's in different style. Let's do the next one. Okay guys, the car is clean. It looks beautiful, amazing. You can see it there. Wow. Okay, one thing, if you have a Supra, it has lines here, but they're not deep. But I don't know if this is normal. You have a Supra or you have remote brakes, let me know if this is normal. Okay, so let's continue with the product. Okay, so this one is the Graphene Infused to the Max Wax. This is a wax, okay, but this is a liquid. Okay, so for this one you will need one pad like this, or you can use a microfiber instead of this if you don't have this foam, and another microfiber to wipe it off. For both products, if you apply this, you have to let it dry for 24 hours. Cure. You have to let it cure for 24 hours. Okay, so after you apply these products, don't wash it. In one day, don't wash the car. Wait for 24 hours, and then after that you can wash it if you want. But for when you apply this one, wait one day after that. All right, so let's start applying this one. This one is already super smooth, but we're gonna put a second coat with this one. Let's do that next. I have my products here. The foam, this one, shake it before you apply it. Let's put my microfiber here, shake it, and see what color this thing is. So it's white. Okay, one correction. I'm reading the instruction. Yes, you have to wait 2 or 3 minutes, okay, for the product. So let me do the whole hood, and then we'll wipe it off. Okay guys, I waited already the 3 minutes, so let's wipe it off. Let's see how hard it is to wipe it off. It's alright. You need a little bit of power, but it's not that hard. Not like other products that they are super hard to wipe it off. This one, wipe it off. Looks alright. It's good. So I already wiped it off half of the thing. How it feels? It's still smooth. Yes, love it. Ooh. Okay guys, this one is a little bit harder. It works great too. It feels good, but it has you have to remove. You have to use a lot of power to wipe it off. So I like more the spray than this one, but this one, if you prefer this kind of application, get that one. Both are the same and they work amazing. You can feel here, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, but this one requires a little bit more of energy to remove it, to wipe it off. Okay, so this one you have to go like this, because if not, you will leave like a shadow. Okay, so this one will apply a little bit more energy to remove it. It's fine. Works good. Okay guys, those are the turtle wax products. I love them, they're amazing. The link is gonna be on the description below. Okay, so if you wanna get it, let me know what you guys think. Put in the comments your opinion about the products. What do you think? If you like the video, please like the video, that helps a lot for more people to see this video. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.